Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Andrey Rubio, and I'm here with my fellow group mates Jason Sizemore and Bairu. Together, we are the UW social team. Today, we are here to address a significant issue in our community: a disconnected student body and endless emails. Our solution is a social media mobile application designed for students to connect with each other and share their thoughts and experiences at UW, as well as provide a tool for students to keep up with current events at the UW campus. Moving on to the demo. To start with, you begin by logging in to our application. If you don't have an account yet, start by signing up for a new account. Simply click sign up at the login screen, which will send you to our sign up page, which requires a name, email, and password. The email must have a valid email, and the password must have one capital letter, one special character, and a number. At the end, please confirm you have entered the right password and then press the register button. After creating a new account, it will take you back to the login screen. Enter the email and password for your account and press login. After logging in, you are greeted with 5 buttons in the bottom navigation bar. The first button is the home feed, where you can see all the posts from other users you have connected with. At your first login, this page will be empty, which simply means you have no friends. To start viewing other users' posts, you must first connect with your friends and classmates on the platform. Upon connecting with other users, you can then share their posts, like their posts, and even comment on them. The second button or bell icon on the bottom navigation bar leads you to the notification page to view recent updates on your accounts, such as other users that liked or commented on your posts, or other users who want to connect with you. The third button, or pencil button on the bottom navigation bar, will navigate you to the Create Post page. This is where you can create your own posts for other users to view. In your post, you can choose to enter a text and/or attach an image to your post. You can also set who you would like to be able to view your posts at the top left corner of the screen. After you finish writing your post, simply click the Post button to create a new post. The fourth, or magnifying glass button on the bottom navigation bar, leads you to the search page. Here you can search for currently existing users on the platform. More importantly, you can also connect with other users by simply clicking the connect button right next to the person you searched. Let's go back to the home feed. As you can see, after connecting with another user, we can see the post of that person. By clicking on a post, we can make a comment and see other comments. And by clicking on their profile picture, we can look at their profile. The last button on the navigation bar will lead you to the calendar page. Here you can view upcoming club events and other general events happening on the UW campus. Next, let's head over to the profile page section. To view your own profile, simply click the profile icon at the top right section of the screen. Here you can view your own account details such as display name, user ID, account bio, current connections, and your own posts. Under the connections bar, you can disconnect from other users. Lastly, we have the settings page, where you can view the information about our application, change email and password options, and the logout button.
Okay, so some of the problems and challenges we faced, one of the larger ones being the cloud storage implementation. As of now, we're unable to retrieve images from our database, and so we can upload the images, but we can't view them, and because of that, certain features aren't there, like adding images to posts or creating custom profile pictures and banners. Another challenge is just being able to edit the profile account so that you can view and change your display name, your email, your password, and your bio. Another one would be the comment section and the posts, being able to display the usernames correctly. And then adding the notifications feature is something we also wanted. And lastly, dynamically adding current events happening on campus to our calendar was something that we wanted to add, but just ran out of time for.
So hi, my name is Bairu, and I'll be talking about our reflections and future implementations. So we learned a lot from this project. Most notably, we learned the intricacies of an app. Now whenever I open a mobile app, I will always think about Android Studio and how it could possibly be implemented. In the future, we would 100% add images to our app. We just have to figure out how to store and retrieve them in a database. After that, if we have more time, we could look into how to add notifications and as well as app themes. Right now, when a user presses connect, they would immediately connect with that person, but we would like to have it so that it will send a request instead and have the request notify the user, and only when the user accepts the request then the connection will be made. Another possible implementation is to have an algorithm for recommending posts. Right now you can only able to see posts from your connections in the main feed, but for non-connections, an algorithm that can recommend you posts from people with similar interests will be ideal. And lastly, in the future, we would like to have UWT make their own account and have everybody be automatically connected to them. And yeah, that's it for UW Social Team.